Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to convert or copy PDF text to an Excel spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you can see I have a PDF file on my desktop, so if I actually open it up here you'll see the contents of such the file. And we basically just want to take this and put it over to Excel. So unless you have the professional version of Adobe Reader installed in your computer, you would have to use some online converter, which I'm not really a big fan of. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do it without the need for any third-party applications beyond Excel and Office products. So we're going to jump into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu. You want to type in Word, so W-O-R-D. Basically just want to open up the Microsoft Word application here. And once it's done opening up, I'm going to just drag my PDF file that's on my desktop. I'm just going to drag it over blank document, so the launch page for Word, I'm just going to just drop it in here. It's going to say Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. Left click on OK. So there you go guys, now you can see we have it in Microsoft Word, but we are not done yet because we obviously want to bring it over to Excel, which is pretty easy to do at this point. So I'm just going to grab and right click on the top little square above the table here, and you can see everything's now selected. I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going to left click on copy. I'm going to minimize out of Word here. And now if you had an existing Excel spreadsheet you wanted to paste it into, or you just wanted to paste it into its brand new one, it's fine, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to open up a blank workbook here. And now that it's copied to our clipboard, I'm just going to right click where I want the table to begin. And then I'm going to left click on Keep Source Formatting. So underneath Paste Options, left click on the Keep Source Formatting icon. Where you hover over it, it says that. You can also just press the K key as well. It's just a shortcut. So give it a second here. You might need to adjust the formatting a little bit depending on how it comes across. But I mean, nothing's really going to be perfect, especially when you're dealing with a conversion process. But this is pretty much giving you what was in the PDF file to begin with, and now you can edit it. Now it's in Excel. Make pivot tables, do whatever you want with it. It's really up to you. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.